At iLEAD, we bridge the gap between passion for sports and business acumen. The roaring success of Indian sports leagues. To athletes making their mark on the world stage, the time is ripe for a career in sports management. Our BBA in sports management is designed to equip you with the skills to excel in the thriving sports industry. In partnership with the prestigious J.R.D. Tata Sports Academy, our curriculum covers everything from sports marketing and event management to public relations, analytics, and facility operations. As an athlete, you'll find the perfect space to showcase your talent while honing your skills in prestigious competitions. Imagine stepping into roles like sports agent, event manager, athletic director, or marketing manager, with career prospects spanning public relations, facility management, and data analysis. Our 4-year undergraduate program emphasizes experiential learning through industry exposure, ensuring you graduate job-ready. Join the League of Future Sports Leaders. Apply today to iLEAD's BBA in Sports Management program and lead the game, both on and off the field. iLEAD. Imagine. Become.